Today we are going to learn Nuer-English basic phrases. Before we start this lesson, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new lesson you can be notified. Let's begin with hi, what is your name? Hi, what is your name? Hi, we can say hey, shall, should, do the. A shall, should, do the. Hi, what is your name? A shall, should, do the. I am Adam and you. Hen Adam Kajin Shalidi. Kajin Shalidi. I am Adam and you. And Adam Kajin Shalidi. I am Sarah. Where from? Where are you from? We can say like that. Where are you from? You can say Hen Sarah Kajin Bini. Okay, where are you from? I'm Sarah. Where are you from? And Sarah Kajin Bini. I am from Morocco. And Baka Morocco. And Baka Morocco. I am from Morocco. Oh, nice. First time here. Oh, nice. First time here. On Emi Gua. Ajen Shang and Niam. Ajen Shang and Niam, or you can say it like that. Oh, nice. First time here on Emigua. Ajen Shang and Niam. Take a teach. First time here. Ajen Shang and Niam. Yes. First time indeed. Or you can say on Ajen Shang and Niam. On Ajen Shang and Niam. Yes. First time indeed. Ajen Shang and Niam. Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Kajin we ni ka and tama. Kajin we ni ka and tama. Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Kajin Winika and Tama. I am going to Paris. I am going to Paris. And Waka Paris. And Waka Paris. I'm going to Paris and Waka Paris. Are you flying alone? Kajin Jelly Ka Radu. Are you flying alone? Kajin Jali Karadu. No, with my family. A. Kone She Mari. A. Kone She Mari. No, with my family. A. Kone She Mari. Business trip or vacation? They call her no. Weni jin kedol ke will long ni jin. Okay, we can say it. We kedol ke will long ni jin. Business trip or vacation. Business ka Thok Nath de kono chol cherme ko ngwani kaneten ko kenderan kala walate. Weni jin kedol Kido kolar no woni jin ke dol koka ngwane okay chan jama lara non ko specula take lot mangwaka kon okay business trip or vacation. And then you can say it is just for vacation. It is just for vacation. Wani an longer. Simple. Wani han longer. It is just for vacation. How long will you stay? How long will you stay? Bijan ke nin. Bijan ka pek nin. Bijan ka pek mi. Pek mi nindi. Bijan ka pek mi nindi. Only for 15 days. Nin dang well dh karo. Karo ke karo. Nin dang well dh karo. Have a safe flight. Jelly kamal. Jelly kamal, you can say it. Have a safe flight. Jelly kamal. Thank you so much. She loiched the tet. Keji. She loiched the tet keji. Thank you so much. She loiched the tet keji. You can repeat the same thing again. Hi, what is your name? A. Shall shududi. I am Adam, and you? And Adam kejin shualidi. I am Sarah. Where are you from? And Sarah kejin bini. I am from Morocco and Baka Morocco. Oh, nice. First time here? Oh, on Emigua. Ajan Shang and Nyam? Yes, first time indeed. On Ajan Shang and Nyam. Where are you going now? Kajin Winika and Tama. I'm going to Paris and Waka Paris. Are you flying alone? Kajin Jelikarwadu? No, with my family. A. Konashia Mari. Business trip or vacation. Winijin kadwal kokangwane ke wolong ani ke wolong nijin. It is just for vacation. Winihan longa. How long will you stay? Bijang ka peg minindi only for 15 days. Nindang wel diay karo. Have a safe flight. Jali kamal. Thank you so much. Chiloy the test keji. You can keep on repeating the same things again. Ko jendera taka understanding mugwa. Hi, what is your name? And shall shududi. I am Adam, and you? And Adam kajin shwalidi. I am Sarah. Are you from? Where are you from? And Sarah kajin bini. I am from Morocco and Baka Morocco. Oh, and Baka Morocco. Oh, nice. First time here on Emigua Ajan Shanganyam? Yes, first time indeed on Ajan Shanganyam. Where are you going? Kajin Winika and Tama. I am going to Paris and Waka Paris. Are you flying alone? Kajin Jelikarwadu? No, with my family. A. Konashia Mari. Business trip or vacation. Winijin kedwal koka ke jal koka ngwane ke wolong nijin. It is just for vacation. Wini and longa. How long will you stay? Bijang ka peg minindi. Only for 15 days. Nindang wel diay karo. Have a safe flight. Jali kamal. Thank you so much. Chiloy the test keji.